reading, right? How's your vision?
Good. It's like a little cataract told me the other day.
Okay.
But don't do nothing because, it's not necessary.
Okay.
And besides, you are by yourself. How will you to do?
Okay. So I have been treating a lot of people with glaucoma, macular degeneration, and it happens earlier nowadays, like 40 years old and 50 years old. They can hardly read. There's like blurry vision or the line twisted because they use too much computer. But I remember you said you can still read a book, right?
Yeah.
And it's not blurry, right?
No, I can get it. Acupuncture help for everything. By Dr. Zheng and Dr. Zheng.
Yes, yes. So I think the diet, and also you don't use computer too much, right?
No, not
Okay.
really.
Yes. And
But
what
I'm getting acquainted,
you know how to
be
use that.
ignorant is not good, You
Yes.
have to know.
You can use computer, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, that's good. And you text, right? You use the phone text.
Yes. But
And you can still see the word.
they are not that fast, but
Good, good. You're very open to the new technique,
yes.
but you're not using that
No,
for
no,
hours and
no,
hours.
No, absolutely not.
Yeah, and I also remember that you eat a lot of carrots. Remember?
Yes.
Yes, I think the vitamin A in
Good.
carrots.
I used to. Onion is my favorite because something is good with onions and garlic, And when I
Onion and
do
garlic.
something, I make the pizza, the white pizza, like they're using in my town. This is the focaccia. And I
Focaccia.
put onion on top.
Onion on the top.
yes.
Okay. And the garlic, you.
Garlic, no, on top of the pizza, I don't like it. But I use a lot of garlic. When I make a little soup, I put garlic.
Okay. Do you eat a raw garlic?
Huh?
The raw garlic.
No.
No, it's too. Yeah,
much.
too strong,
I
right?
put the raw garlic when I make pesto
Ah,
with basil.
with the basil.
Basil, this some kind of sauce is a cold sauce.
Okay.
You don't cook that sauce. It is garlic, basil, pinoli, and olive oil.
Olive oil, always olive oil.
And you put a dash of salt because the salt is keeping the basil green.
Ah, okay, okay.
And you got to put cheese,
You put a little bit of cheese?
Yes.
Ah, Parmesan cheese?
Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
Together with the basil and everything. That's a classic pesto.
Pesto.
And you put on top of the spaghetti.
Okay. And then there's a new trend that people eat so much nuts, handful nuts. You don't eat that, right?
I just a little bit, moderate, very moderate.
Yes.
Yeah.
You only put into the pesto a little bit nuts.
Yeah, I got to put pinoli. I put pinoli, but sometimes I don't have any pinoli. They are very expensive too, and I put nuts.
You put a little bit. How much you put?
Just a little bit, just a little more. Depends on what you make.
Okay. Usually how much pesto you make? Like
I make maybe just for twice a dish, maybe just a little bit, not exaggerated.
Okay.
Because it's gonna go bad,
Okay. How many days you can keep that in the fridge, the pesto?
Maybe 5-6 days.
Okay.
Otherwise, you got to put in the freezer.
Okay.
In the freezer, you put in the container, you put olive oil on top. You close, put in the freezer, and after you defrost.
You defrost. So if in the refrigerator, it stays for 4 or 5 days.
Oh, in the Frigidaire, yes, but in the freezer you can take months. You can stay.
Okay, and then
you have to be adjusted.
You will put like a few, like 10, 15, those kind of nuts.
No, the pinoli, no. Yeah, maybe even more than that. Depends on how much the amount,
Okay, and but you never eat handful nuts, right?
No.
Yeah. So the nuts are good, but then it's also increase the histamine level.
That's right. And everything's got to be moderate.
Yes.
Okay, you got to be balanced.
Yeah, but your vision is very impressed.
Until now.
Yeah, you still can read.
Yeah.
So this is my book about. Can you read this?
Yes, regaining happiness with Acupunctures.
With acupuncture. And do you feel like this is blurry? Is it clear, the word? Can you see clearly?
Yeah, it's okay. Regaining happiness with acupuncture.
And then this is my name, right?
Zheng. Chang, Chao.
Chao Hongzhou. Yes, yes.
I don't want to say Mao Zedong.
Mao Zedong. You remember Mao Zedong?
Chiang Kai-shek.
Chiang Kai-shek. Yes, yes. So I think we need to keep the vision in a healthy condition because the eye pressure will go up, will damage the peripheral vision field, and if you have inflammation in the macular, then you won't be able to read. Yes, so.
But sometimes it can happen. Who knows? Someday, and I got to take care. That's it. Very
you
simple.
don't wear glasses? No.
You know, just for when
you read.
That's it.
This is for reading glasses.
For reading glasses.
Okay.
Sometimes it's small. I got
Too small.
got to use.
Okay. Let me see. Do you think this is too small?
No, this is normal, but
You still can.
just to make sure. Like I said, I can read over here.
Oh, you can read
Case
that.
3 smoke induced.
Oh, you can read that.
read that.
Oh, okay, good, good. So,
But sometimes it's really small, like the newspapers. You don't want to put too much pressure on your.
so that's why
So
you,
the
yes.
easy way, you got the glasses. That's it.
So, when they test your vision, do you know your vision? 2020?
I went yesterday. Remember? Yesterday was. They didn't tell me.
They didn't say anything.
Basically.
Just a little bit of cataract, right?
Yeah, that's what he said. But
So you.
still, I needed the eyeglasses. No one to me.
Okay.
And then while I was over there, I said, "Why don't you make it the other one for the price? You can have the distance for drive. You know."
Oh, for the distance.
It's okay, give it to me.
Okay.
But I got not to do.
So you're not taking vitamin A, right? You only take multivitamin.
Hey,
You take vitamin A?
no.
You didn't take vitamin A. You take
vitamin E, I think.
No, you take fish oil.
Fish oil.
You take multivitamin.
Oh, E? D3. D3. I
Yeah,
think.
you take D3.
Yeah.
And you didn't start this until 5 years ago, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. I think the diet is more important, right?
That's a good idea.
Okay.
If you start the junk food,
Yeah, the junk food is no good.
it's junk food.
Yes. No good for anything, right?
Everything.
And you don't have joint pain, right?
No.
Yeah. No joint pain, no back pain, and your vision is still good.
Yes.
And so we gotta keep that healthy condition,
I
right?
want to try my best. That's it. Finish.
Yes.
And what can I? Because if you say I don't do this or I don't do that, that's no good. You got to do it. That's it. Finish.
Yes.
Okay. And then
Yes.
you know it already that I'm doing. And thank God I got some company takes me to the beach for good ocean air.
Fresh air. Yes, the oxygen is very important
Yeah.
because when you have a higher level of oxygen, then your blood vessel dilate. Yeah. You're not taking any high blood pressure medication, right?
No.
Yes, that's good. Thank you very much.